Welcome to SWAYAM course on CAD CAM. I am Dr. K. Tamilmanan, Associate Professor, Mechanical Engineering, School of Engineering and Technology, Indira Gandhi National Open University, New Delhi. Today we are going to discuss the topic on computer-aided manufacturing numerical control machines.
What is NC machine? Numerical control machine is a defined as the form of software controlled automation. It is a form of software controlled automation in which the process is controlled by alphanumeric characters or symbols. The alphanumeric characters and symbols which is used to control the manufacturing process is called the numerical control machine. Machine tool is the main components of numerical control system which executes the operations. It may consist of work table, cutting tools, jigs and fixtures, motors for driving spindle, coolant and lubrication system. The latest development in the numerical control machine tool is a versatile machining center. Controlling a machine tool by means of prepared program. The NC machines programs which is used to control the machine tool operations, which consists of blocks or series of numbers, is known as numerical control machine. In manufacturing of more complicated parts of the system, has to calculate automatically with additional data points, which is done by means of interpolator. The interpolator which is used to calculate the automatically in the data points for the manufacturing of more complicated parts or components. Numerical control is refers to the method of controlling the manufacturing operation by means of directly inserted coded numerical instructions into the machine tool. The numerical instructions directly inserted to the machine tool which is used to control and manufacture the operations. It is important to realize the numerical control is not a machining method. NC is a not machining method. It is a concept of machine control or machine tool. Although the most popular application of numerical control are in machining. Numerical control can be applied to many other operations, which is including welding, sheet metal working, riveting, and so on. NC machines are method of automation. Basically, it's a method of automation where the automation of medium and small volume production is done by controls under the instruction of the programs. The numerical control programs which is used to control and manufacture the small and medium volume of the productions. A system in which the actions are controlled by direct insertion of numerical data at some point. The system must automatically interpret at least some portion of the data by electronic industries associations. This is a single machine capable of doing a number of operations. This is a single machine which is capable to do the number of operations such as milling, boring, drilling, reaming, tapping, by automatic tool changer ATC under the control of tool selection instructions. NC software program is prepared which consists of blocks. A block consisting of combination of characters and number of sequence describing the position of tool and job. Also which includes cutting speed and feed. A program is prepared which consists of blocks. So every block has the different programs which consists of characters, combination of characters, numbers in sequence which is describe the tool position, job position, the cutting speed and feed, the amount of cutting speed and feed. The data converted into coded instructions which are called part programs. The numerical data has been converted into the NC coded instructions, numerical control coded instruction which is called the part program. As the job changes, the instruction of part program are also changed for every job having the different set of instructions. The other instruction which can be included may be tool changing or coolant on or off. For every operations, every positions, every functions have the different set of instructions. It is easy to encode a new program than to change the machinery for flexibility, thus arising the need of a numerical control. So that it is easy to encode the new program rather than change the machinery or flexibility. The basic elements and operation of typical NC machine is numerical control, and the components basically involved of data input, data processing and data output. The mainly that NC machine in numerical control, the main components basically involved of there is data input, data processing and data output. For data input, the numerical information is read and store the tap reader or in computer memory. All the data and information, numerical information has been stored in the tap reader or on computer memory. This is the data input. In data processing, the programs are read into the machine control unit for processing. The programs which is read the data into the machine control unit for the further processing is called the data processing. The data output concerns that the information is translated into commands, typically pulsed commands into the motor. So the information is translated into the commands is called that the function of data output. The motor moves the table on which the workpiece is placed to specified positions through the linear or rotary movements by motors, ball screw and other devices. The types of control systems. NC machine can be controlled through the two types of control system circuits, such as open loop system, another one is closed loop system. The figure shows a simple logic diagram of open loop control system and closed loop control system. The open loop control system having that control unit, driver and motor. This simple open loop control system. The closed loop control system, which consists of control unit, driver, motor and feedback, which includes the feedback system. Based on the feedback information, that unit can have function without any difficulties. Open loop system. In the open loop system, the signals are given to the motor by the processor, but the movements and final destination of the work table are not accurate. In open loop system, the signals from the input given to the motor by the processor, but the final destination, the output of the work table, it not be accurate. The open loop system cannot be accurate, but still can produce the shape that is required. That is not accurate, but however it can be produce the required shape, required functions, required performance. For open loop system, normally the stepper motor is utilized in the open loop system. In closed loop system is equipped with various transducers, sensors, counters that measure the position of the table accurately through the feedback control. The feedback control, which is used to measure the various parameters, and by using the transducers, sensors and counters to measure the position of the table accurately, so that the output should be more accurate. The position of the work table is compared to against the signal. The position of the work table is measuring is based against the signal. The table movements terminate when the proper coordinates are reached. Automatically the table movements has been terminated when the proper coordinates are reached in the correct required positions. For the closed loop system, normally the servo motor is utilized, but in the closed loop system is more complicated and more expensive than open loop system. There are different types of motion control systems used in the numerical control machines. There are two basic types of control systems in numerical control, such as point-to-point motion control systems and contouring control systems. Point-to-point control motion control systems. In point-to-point system is also called positioning systems. In each axis, the machine is driven separately by ball screw depending on the type of operation at different velocities. So each and every axis, the machine is driven separately by the ball screw. The movement of the ball screw is depending upon the type of operation at different velocities. The machine moves initially at maximum velocity in order to reduce non-productive time, but declares the tool reaches its numerically defined positions. In machine movements initially at maximum velocity in order to reduce the non-productive time. Due to that reducing non-productive time is initially it moves at high velocity. It's a maximum velocity. But declares at the tool reaches its numerically defined positions. As in operation such as drilling or punching, the positioning and cutting take place sequentially. So all the operations in the point-to-point system as take sequentially. The time required in the operation is minimized for efficiency, so that it's record the minimum time for required for the operations. The point-to-point system are used mainly in drilling, punching, and straight milling operations. Another one motion control system is the contouring system. In the contouring system is also known as continuous path systems. The positioning and cutting operations are both along control paths but the different velocities. The positioning and cutting operation are both controlled the movement of the various path movements as well as at different velocities. This path movement is in this contouring system, it moves continuously to the various paths, so that it's called continuous path system. Because the tool cuts, it travels along the path, accurate control and synchronization of velocities and movements are is more important. So that the tool cuts, its travel along the various path, it should be in accurate control and synchronization of velocities. All the velocities should be synchronized, and movements should also that it should be uncontrolled and synchronized. The continuous system is used in lathe, milling machines, grinders, welding machines, and various other machining centers. So that the contouring system is also called continuous path system. Next, working of numerical control machine tool. The numerical control machine tool is mainly the consists of the programmed instructions. Another important component is the machine control unit and transform the process and supply the power. Get the output machining parts. The flowchart shows the product drawing which is used to manufacture, and process planning. So how we can plan the process for the manufacturing of the particular components or objects, and prepare the manuscript of part programming, numerical control instructions which is stored in the punched card and punch tape that can be transformed to the machine control unit for the converting the functions of manufacturing operations, transforming the various functions. Then it goes to machine, then it's machine tool produce the components, products, and then it's finished product, it goes for marketing or customers. The types of NC systems. Mainly the machine controls are divided into three groups such as traditional numerical control, the NC systems, computer numerical control, CNC systems, and distributed numerical control, DNC systems. The control access and coordination systems. The coordinate system plays a very important role in the NC systems. NC system can be classified in the number of directions of motion. They are capable to control simultaneously on a machine tool. So the NC system, the number of directions of the motion can be controlled simultaneously on a machine tool. Each free body has 6 degrees of freedom, 3 positive or negative translations along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, and 3 rotation clockwise or counterclockwise directions about the axis. Controlled access and coordinate systems. The computer numerical control system is capable of controlling the simultaneously 2.5, 3, 2.5, 3, 4 and 5 degrees of freedom axis. So that the NC system which control 3 linear translation, 3 axis system, a 3 linear translation one rotation of the work table 4-axis system are the most common. The basic components of NC machines mainly which includes software, machine control unit. The software concerns that the programs or set of instructions, languages, punched cards, magnet tape, punched paper tape, and other such information processing items are referred to as the software. These are the items which refer as the software. This is mainly the program or set of instructions is the main component of the software. That punched cards, magnet tape, punched paper tape, and other such information is the which is used to store the instructions or programs in the systems. Machine control unit. Machine control unit is the main unit which is known as machine control unit consists of some electronic hardware that reads the NC program. This MC machine control unit which has the electronic hardware system that reads the NC program and it interprets the data and conversely it translates the mechanical actions of the machine tools. So it's mainly read the programs and interpret the data and it's translate the information to the mechanical action into the systems, machine tool or machine tools. Machine control units, it includes the various components such as input or reader unit, memory, processor, output channel, control panel, feedback channel. This program shows the various components of the NC machines. This is a machine tool unit, this is a machine control unit, and position of the feedback package, control unit, magnetic box, and this manual control servo. This is one of the simple system of NC machines which is having the various components. The types of machine control units. There are the various different types of machine control units are there, such as housed MCU. Machine control unit may be mounted on the machine tool or may be built in the casing of the machine. So this is called housing MCU, housed MCU. Swing around MCU. Machine control units directly mounted on the machine, which can be swing around and it can be adjusted as per requirement of the operator position. So that it's called swing around machine control unit. Another one is stand alone machine control unit. Machine control unit is enclosed in a separate cabinet which is installed at some remote or same place near to the machine. So it's called stand alone machine control unit. So this image shows the NC machines operations and functions. The input device which is used to feed the data that can be converted into part programs. Then its machine control units having that its data process the data and control the unit, which is then it's that other motion data and miscellaneous function has been transferred to the machine tool. Then it transfers the feedback systems. The feedback system which includes control the position of the feedback and velocity of the feedback. There are various advantages of numerical control. It's over conventional methods. So NC machines is a high precision, better quality. It provides better quality. It's produce high productivity. It's have multi-operational machining facilities. It's not required much qualified operator. It's required only less operation time. Also have some limitations in that NC machines, such as need high investment cost, need high maintenance cost, required skilled and specialist operators. There are different softwares which are used for NC and CNC programming for preparing the instructions and developing the part programs. For that we need the different manufacturing softwares which includes Fusion 360, Solid Edge, HSM, SolidWorks, CamWorks, NXCam, GipsCam, PowerMill, MeshCam, OneCNC, MasterCam.
So far we have covered the topic on NC machines. What is NC machines? Various types of NC machines, various functions of NC machines, principles and working of NC machines. Also we have covered various control systems such as open loop control system, closed loop control system. Also we have covered various motion control systems such as point to point control systems and contour control systems. Also we have covered the machine components of the NC machines, various types of machine control units, and also we have discussed the various applications, advantages and disadvantages of NC machines. Hope you might have understand the basics and fundamentals of NC machines. Thanks for patient listening.